Meet the jewel wasp, a tiny insect with a fascinating and terrifying life cycle known for its stunning, jewel-like colors. This wasp has a dark secret the jewel wasp's target. The unsuspecting cockroach with precision, the wasp delivers a sting to the cockroach's brain, turning it into a zombie. The wasp then leads the zombified roach to a burrow, where it lays a single egg on the roach's abdomen. The egg hatches into a larva, which burrows into the cockroach, feeding on its internal organs while keeping it alive. Over a few weeks, the larva grows and eventually pupates, emerging as an adult wasp ready to start the cycle and new nature's most chilling parasitic tale. All wrapped in a beautiful package. Like and subscribe for more incredible nature stories.